In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background noise in Audacity. If you've ever recorded a voiceover or a podcast and heard a low hiss, a faint hum, or the gentle whir of a fan in the background, this quick cleanup process will make your audio sound clearer and more professional. Start by opening the Audacity app. Once your project is open, take a moment to find a portion of your recording where you're not speaking and there's no intentional sound, just the room tone or background noise. This little slice is important because it represents the noise you want Audacity to reduce. Use the selection tool to click and drag over that quiet section. Visually, it often looks fairly flat, but with a fuzzy texture in the waveform. Play it back to confirm you're only hearing noise and not any part of your voice or music. Including real audio here can lead to choppy, underwater sounding results. With that noise-only section highlighted, head up to the top menu and choose Effects. From there, go to Noise Removal and Repair. This category groups together tools designed to handle hiss, hum, clicks, and similar problems. Inside it, select Noise Reduction. This effect analyzes the character of the noise in your selection and prepares to reduce it. In the noise reduction window, you'll see a few controls. Noise reduction measured in decibels determines how aggressively the noise is lowered. Higher values reduce more noise, but can start to affect the tone of your voice. Sensitivity controls how precisely Audacity identifies noise. If it's too high, you may lose detail in softer parts of speech. Frequency smoothing helps blend the result so it sounds natural rather than metallic. As a starting point, moderate settings often work well. For example, a mid-range noise reduction, a balanced sensitivity, and a small amount of frequency smoothing. Use the preview button to listen before you commit, nudging the sliders until the background recedes without making your voice sound thin or robotic. Subtle, incremental changes are usually best. When you're happy with the balance, click OK. Audacity will process the audio based on the noise it detected in your selection, and you should hear a cleaner, quieter background in that area. If it still feels noisy or a bit overdone, you can reopen the effect and fine-tune the levels until it sounds natural. That's all there is to it. Open Audacity, select a section that contains only the unwanted sound, go to Effects, and choose Noise Removal and Repair. Then use Noise Reduction to dial in settings and confirm with OK.